Hello everyone, welcome back to Niji Education channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before we get into this video, please subscribe our channel Niji Education and press the bell icon for the notifications. You must have done writing part and typing part in MS Word, like typing your reports, typing your notes and many more things. Have you ever tried making wallpaper on this? If not, then as you can see on the screen, this kind of a wallpaper we are going to make today with the help of MS Word. So for that, please stay tuned with the end of this video and let's get into the video. First, we are going to select the layout tab. From that, orientation I am going to keep as a landscape and the margin I am going to set as narrow. From the zoom in zoom out button, I am going to reduce it till the 50%. Now from the insert tab, click on the insert tab, click the shapes tool from the illustrations group and from that I am going to select the star which is having the 4 points. So click on that and then with the help of shift button, how will you do it? First you have to press the shift button, then click and then drag it. So first I am going to select the bigger size of the star, leave the mouse, leave the shift key and as you can see that format tab is opened in the drawing tools. Now with the help of format tab, I am going to fill the shape color as dark red color and the outline I am going to keep as same color. Now right click on the shape and as you can see that sub menu is opened. From that I am going to click on the format auto shape or picture. As you can see over here, line and fill colors are there. So I am going to change the transparency of the fill color up to 40% and the line color style I am going to change to the very smaller one which is 1/4 pt. Then press OK button. So as you can see there, the lighter color is appear on the shape. Then we have to copy this shape 4 times. So for copying the shape, I am going to press the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and the 4th one. But here we want only 4, so I am going to delete the last one. So as you can see over here, I have collected the 4 stars. Now I am going to change the color, fill color and the shape outline of the stars. So select the star, change color to the green and shape outline will be green. Select the star, change color to the blue and again shape outline will also be the blue color. Then another star. Change shape fill as the yellow color and outline yellow color. Now we are going to place these stars over each other. So let's do that. So on the red star, I am going to place the green star. First I will place over here and then as you can see here green button, I will click on that and I will drag it like this, right? Then take the yellow color, place it over here, click on the green button and drag it. Take the blue color, place it over here, click on the green button and drag it. Right? So now I am going to select all stars. So 1 with the help of shift button. Once you have clicked on one star, you have to press the shift button and then another third and the fourth one. As you can see, all shapes we have selected over here. Now I am going to drag it to the corner of this. Then we are going to copy these shapes. So Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. So another shapes we are going to place it over here. Again Ctrl plus V. So the third one we are going to place over here. Again Ctrl plus V, and the fourth one at the fourth corner. Right? Now get it again. So press Ctrl plus V. I am going to place it at the center. Now I am going to increase the size of these shapes. So what we are going to do, press the shift key and click on any of the side button and then drag it. If you drag it, you must see that shapes has been changed the position. So we are going to get back into that. So leave one by one. Okay, so first is this, right? Then the blue one, which I am going to move a bit left side. Then the yellow one. Make changes according to your convenience, right? And then a bit right side. Keep it yellow as lower side, right? Now select the all shapes in the bigger size. So select, then press the shift key, select, select and the select. Then we are going to place it over somewhere here, like this. Then Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. The another shape we are going to place over here. Again do the Ctrl plus V and get into the center and place it over somewhere here. Again do Ctrl plus V. It's okay if the shapes is cutting outside of the page. We want it as a frame over here. Now here we are done with our frame. How to insert image? For that we are going to click on the insert tab. Then from the pictures, this device or online pictures. I am going to select this device, and from that I am going to select this photograph over here, which I am going to insert. Now to move this photograph at the center position, we have to change its specification. So for that, click on layout options over here and keep it as in front of the text. So this will help you to keep your photograph in front of the shapes which have been on the screen. So click on that, drag it at the center and then increase the size. So this is it for your frame. Now what if you want to make this kind of a thing or this photograph in a image file? So first we will save this file as it is. I am going to give a name as frame. Right? Now we will go to the save as option, and as you can see there, here JPEG format is not there. So what we will do, we'll cancel this one, we'll get back to the document and we will select the entire thing which we have prepared on the document. So Ctrl plus A. So we are going to copy. For copying, Ctrl plus C. Now open your Paint and then press Ctrl plus V. Reduce the size over here, as you can see there, right? Now save this file over here with the name frame and then close it. Now go to File Explorer and from the then select the frame which you have prepared and right click on that and set as a desktop background. Then minimize everything and you can see the desktop has been changed to the photograph which you have prepared. You can see there clarity and the pixels are very less in Word document, and that is why this kind of figures are coming over here. So this was about your frame in MS Word. For more fun activity with MS Word, stay tuned with Nija Education and keep learning with it.